Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. Got a deal of the week for you on this Ducati Multistrada 1200. Absolutely lovely bike is this. We've just reduced it from 10490 to 9990. This is a lovely bike with a touring pack, so it gets you the panniers and it's got the centre stand. You get heated grips, you get rider modes, you get traction. Absolutely lovely bike, really is nice. We'll shine around it there. It's just fantastic, beautiful Ducati condition. It's got full service history. Give you some facts and figures. 2016 on a 66, done 4,156 miles. And you've got traction control, you've got ABS, you've got wheelie control up here as well on the full digital display. It's all programmable. I said full documented Ducati history. The buttons actually glow, sort of the backlit, so you can see them better. You've got cruise control as well. It's a great bike. We'll give it a start for you. Absolutely cracking bike, and I said it has just been reduced to 9990, so grab it quick, come on down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.